In front of me is a OPPO Reno15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. All you need to do is go into settings and scroll to hit display and brightness. Then scroll again, select font. Click on any of those to apply the best one for you and choose apply button to save it. As you can see, after a few seconds, style of my font has changed. If you want to pick something more interesting, you can also go into theme style and look for a new font style over here by tapping on fonts section at the top or home or category. After finding the best font style, hit apply below it and wait. If you wanna go back to your default one, you can always hit me at the bottom right corner of theme style, hit my resources on the left, select font between themes and wallpapers and hit apply under default font. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!